I'm gonna go Safeway and then get bread flour for focaccia because I'm craving focaccia like more than 2 weeks. So I think it's time to like make it because I already bought the like rosemary, but like I forgot I don't have like bread flour in my house. So like yeah, I should get it tomorrow today. Then I can make a focaccia sandwich or something. Ooh, it's pretty dark in here. Let's go Safeway. It's already like kind of dark. It's 6:30.
It's not easily. Time moves slow. Round and round we go. No control. You gotta let it go. You gotta let it go. Gotta let it go. Hey, take it easy. Just believe me when I say you're not the only one who's feeling this way. So if for a minute we can breathe, maybe you'll listen to me. Oh, but it's not that easily. Time moves slow. Round and round we go. No control. You gotta let it go. Gotta let it
About it, and then I'm heading to home.
I know you, yeah, know that you're in your room putting makeup on. You know me, yeah, know about all my dreams and where I went wrong. I stress way too much about what I want, 'cause it's not here yet. You talk in your sleep, almost heavenly, when you said we are once in a lifetime waiting, getting high in your arms. I know that love can be so frustrating, pulling down on your heart. And we are both so inexperienced, never wanted to see So I call again, pick up, let me in, and don't you forget. Falling down on your arm, when we are both so inexperienced, never wanted to see. It woke me up when I saw your teardrops, when you said that you were falling for me, when you said that you were, when you said that you were.
Oh, it looks yummy.